to this tutorial. Is a tutorial concerning video editing. So most time I have been getting people trying to learn video editing, but because of the high performance of Adobe Premiere Pro and Adobe Product, which we use as a professional editing, so some systems are not qualified to do the editing for them. So I have found out another software that at least I know that it is almost 70% competitive to any laptop. So wherever you are or any laptop you are using, you can make use of this particular software now that I'm about to show you and teach you how to make use of it and do your editing and any kind of editing. So know that this editing software is very good, but at the same time it requires your knowledge, it requires your creativity to achieve whatever you want to do in editing aspects, in video editing. So let's learn how to get this software first. So the number one thing you will do is go to your Google Chrome and go to your search button and search for Capcut. Capcut. Okay, this is it. So from here, let me expand this from here. So this is the symbol or the logo, how it looks like. So on this first one here that says Capcut, just click on it. From here now you will see where it shows download for Windows. So once you click it here, now it starts downloading. The MB or the megabyte is not much, so it's something that you have to do and download it. Also, I click on the download button. If you look here, you will notice that it just starts downloading. So let me open my download box. So here now you will notice that it has started downloading, but though I have it already on my laptop, so I have to pause it. So if you look at the MB here, it's showing us about almost 486 MB. Okay, let me say approximately 500 MB, so which is, I think, is not much. And if you are really serious on your video editing journey, I think you have to get the software. Is free, so you don't need to bother or buying an expensive software like Adobe. So it's a quick one. So let's quickly go and open our Capcut. Okay, now the first time you will open your Capcut, this is what it will shows you. This is how the diagram looks like. Okay, if you look at its diagram, you will see sign in, and then you see home, start, and so many other things. You can see new project, and you can see feedback and settings, and you can see projects. So this project now is the project I have already done with Capcut. Yes, these are the projects I have already done with Capcut. And let's go to settings first to see what this we have on the settings panel. So click on the settings. Now we have projects. On our project we have save to are where we have to save our project, or where it will be saving. You can click on this box to select any place you want your project to be saving, but I already know where mine is saving, so I don't need to bother, but I can choose anywhere. Say okay, save to the video, I select it. So whatever I'm doing on Capcut now, and after doing it, if I want to save it, it will save on my video. So it says check manager. Okay, it says check manager. So don't delete check files or auto delete check files. So this is all check files that unwanted files that accumulate while editing or while using the software. So I think that one will be solved later. So okay, now image duration, we have a free layout, we have a free rate bit, we have time code. So in this free frame rate, what this frame rate work is, we remember how we set our frame rates in camera. So it's all about how you want to make your video faster or slower. So I think I have to leave it on 30 frames per second. So it's good. You can use this frame rate to do any video editing and it will run smoothly for you. So performance, it says encoding settings, speed up hardware encoders, speed up hardware encoders, and all these blah blah blah. I leave all these things like this. I don't touch any of it. Okay, prosy location, where the location of your prosy will be, but all these things I don't think is what you need right now, unless you know exactly what all those things are and how to manage them. So let's go to language. Now language, you know all what language is. You can select any language you want so that you can be understanding the software very well. So I leave my on English, so I select save. Now it's done. So here now you will see sign in. Sign in is, you create account on Capcut. Yes, you create account on Capcut. So if you click on this sign in, you have to sign in your account or create account. You can use your Google Gmail account to do that. So I don't need to sign in. It's not a must you have to sign in, but it's very important so that it can help you learn the software smoothly. So now let's begin. Okay, before we get started, over here you will see that we have our project. So if you click on this box here, it will say grid and list. So if you change it to list, you see how it lists our project we have been doing, and if you change it to grid, you will see that it have changed to grid. Now note that this did not come with my Capcut. These are the projects I have already done. Okay, so I think I will leave it on list so that I can be seeing the size, duration, and last editing time, the time I did the editing. So from here you can use this button here now to search any project you are working on. Maybe you have entered and you have edited so many editing, and now you cannot actually find where it is, or because the project you have already done, there's so much on your project list. So you can use this search button and search for the particular project. So it's good whenever you are doing your job. I think you have to be mindful and rename your project. Okay, so let's get in and see how the software looks, and let me put you through on how to make use of this. Okay, thank you.